back. This week the panels have all been dried. I've had the clear coat on and that's all dry. So today I've got parts on the bench. I'm actually going to re-mock up the rear end. I've done a black finish on these panels. For now I'm still deliberating whether to actually go back in, because the sanding on the side of the swing arm worked quite well. It did take out the deep gouges. I'm just worried that if I start, if you can see the pits in there, whether there's further pits further in. So these have all come out quite nice now. I've actually sprayed the seat cowl. That's had its 3 coats. So I've got to leave that for about 48 hours before I can clear coat. But I just want to mock up the back end as it is painted. Get the seat on and just have a look. So that's the plan for today. Alright, so I start off with the side panels. Same again on the other side. Right, let's get the tail piece in. Alright, so that's the tail bolted back in. So I'm not going for tight fit, I'm only going for loose fit. I'm still undecided on these panels whether to take them back even further and see if I can polish. Alright, let's get these tail lights installed. That's looking better, so that's ready to go on. Right, that's the last one. Alright, let's get these fitted. Right, just loose fit on that at the moment. Starting to take shape. Right, well, that's one side loosely fitted. Just got to do the other side. But looking better. Right, just going to get the other side fitted. Again, still quite loose at the moment. I've only put a couple of holding pins in there for now. Alright, let's get a seat in there. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's fitting nice. It's actually hooked up under these bars. Actually pleased with how that's coming out. I mean, that's touch dry at the moment. They actually sit in that position. That's looking nice. Here we go, zoom in and on the actual colours. Oh, I'm chuffed to bits with that. That's really good. I'm really excited. Obviously the seat cow's still got, I say it's got to dry for at least 48 hours. It's touch dry so I can move it about. And then obviously it's got to have clear coat. And then obviously all the panels have got to be polished, but I just wanted to put them together to see what this thing actually looks like, all in one colour. Right, last thing, loosely put in the under tray. Right, the under tray is in. As I say, it's just loose fitted for now. Obviously I've got the bolts to go through. I've also got a number plate bracket to make. But it was purely, how does it look? Right, so let's uncover all of it. Obviously I've still got the back end to do. Obviously I've got wiring to do still. I've still got to sort out the clocks, have another revisit on the mask and headlight because I'm still not happy about the gap. But really chuffed to bits with that. Obviously, as I said, it's still got to be polished, but the seat fits in nicely. The rails, I don't know. I may leave them black. Go with a tough satin. Because obviously the bottom end, well, when it's there, is basically the swing arm would be polished. Everything else is done. The wheel would be black. That's staying as it is, just cleaned up. Regarding the frame, I have been asked the question, are you going to polish the frame? Answer, I don't know. I might. But again, it's all rippled. That is a lot of work. It would look good. But that might be something I'll revisit at a later date. But with these, I think I'm going to leave them black. Just go over with a satin, maybe a satin black finish. But again, what do you think? Leave your comments in the comments box below. What do you think of the tail unit? Now it's come out, painted. But no, I got done what I wanted to get done. Still got these to remove, but I do have a spare set which are sitting on the bench, which I'm going to practice on a polish. But really, that's about it for the paint. Mudguard's done, mask is done, tank was already there, and polished that. Alright, thanks for joining me on that one. It was just literally a quick mock-up. Now the paint's all dry, the lacquer's all dry. As I said, I've still got to polish it, so it's got to come back out, but I was biting at the bit really to put it on the bike and have a look and see what it actually looked like, and I'm well chuffed with it. I really am. So thanks for watching. Like I say, comments in the comments box below, subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of every video, so please like and subscribe. I do appreciate all your feedback. I try and answer all. I answer as many as I can. Sometimes it does take me half a day or a day, but I will answer all your questions, whether it be good, bad or indifferent. I'm here to learn and help other people, but also take criticism back from people that have done it better, where I can improve, which is great for me. So join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.